What's up, Pyros? Y'all ready for the 4th? Stopped at a few stores, picked up a few goodies. I still got one more pickup, and then I should be good. I'm getting some locos, some cobras, and then probably like 5, 10 1-1s, and then probably like a case of rockets. Then I should be good. I got these right here, these rockets, 25 shot. I picked up 8 pinnacles by Raccoon. I got these Roman candles. I do got a case coming of these, I believe. Those are a different wrap, either or. Got that from Shelton's. Got a bunch of new stuff. I'm gonna do 3 stations this year. So I'm gonna do a bunch of zippers in the middle, and then on the left and the right side I'm gonna do a bunch of big breaks, big bores. That's the plan for this year, this show. I'm gonna send off the whole 24, the whole 12 of these Ring of Fires. I got these Nashiki bombs from Taco. Heard they're pretty good. Got them for a good price. I'm gonna fuse this up together, tape it up. I'm gonna light it up just like that. Then I got this other Howling Wolf by Raccoon. I still got those, the Melting Point, the Peacock. I just picked up a few new fountains, which are these 3. I'm gonna put one in each station. 3-minute fountains. I picked up this right here. I might just add it to my collection though. Same with those hero shells, the boss shells. I got this Element Fallout by Red Lanterns, 36 shot. And then I got 6 of the Golden Paradise, and then 6 of the Stand Up for America. I'm gonna end up using 2 and 2, and then 2 and 2, just like how I got these 2, and then the 2 Stand Up for America in the back with quick fuse. Those are some nice little willows with some what they got, mines, rapid fire. Got a few Roman candles just to play with during the day. I went and bought 1. I let it off. It was pretty dope. So I went and got 2. Then I found the little one. Then these 2 right here. Same with these. These bad boys right here are nice. I found a brick and a half. Well, there was a few more bricks in there, but that's what I grabbed. I took a brick, a full brick, and then half a brick. These are nice right here. Pretty fast. Then this is a new fountain I picked up, Mr. Hippo by Window. I got a whole brick of these super ground balloons with Report by Pyro, the good ones, with quick fuse, all 72. I'm gonna hang them up. Let's see what else. I got 3 Peacock Paradise zipper cakes. I gotta put a ring on it by Miracle, 6 shells. I got a little mini zipper cake by World Class Kush King, 162 shot. I got this Strawberry Diesel, 13 shot by Pyro High. Strawberry Shortcake by King Bird. Thunder Show, I believe it's Showtime. And then I got 4 Color Pearls by Window. These are pretty good. They're little, but I like the little bangs to them. Nothing big, just some nice little bottle rocket sounds. And I got these right here. These are pretty big right here. And then I also picked up 3 of these Magic Floating Ghosts, 40 on the board. They're all quick fuse. I picked up 3 of them. I found these, I don't know what they are. They're like some type of single shot. I guess you add 3 of them and then just light up one and then just keep switching them. And then I picked up a case of the flash rockets and then 2 more packs. What else did I got? This the other brick right here is the full brick. Oh, I picked up these right here. These are pretty good. And then I got a Brian song 1-1 peanut. So I went the first time, I picked up these 2, and then I went the second time, I found the full set. And these are from Night Owl 50 shot 2-inch gold willows. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this one in the middle and put one in the right side and then put the other one on the left side. Then I got a 16,000 roll. Those are pretty good, pretty loud. I got some smokes, 6 minutes. Oh, I got this too right here, this Black Cat. I'm not gonna light it up though. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna light this up though. Do a demo. Pretty dope. Some match crackers, 6 bangs. Add that to my collection. Oh, I got those too. I thought it was a 1-1, but it's 6 cakes. So it's 6 25 shot. And they're all different. So that's pretty dope. What else? I still got the Gladiator. And then, oh, I got these bad boys I found. So I snatched up 7 of them, 7 bricks of these penny packs. Duck brand. These are pretty good. Pretty good crackers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I got one more pickup, some big shells, and some 1-1s. And then probably some nice rockets, some color rockets. Stay tuned for the next pickup. Pyro out.